Yeah. Look at that. Woo! If you've ever felt angry before, you guys punch it with me. This is so much fun, you guys. It's like my own personal anger room. Yeah, yeah. Intrusive thoughts are winning. 100%. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Wait, let's appreciate it. Look at that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm proud of myself. This one turned out so good compared to the other one. Remember the last slab, you guys? That was like so hard. Oh, Sweet Pea, do you want me to put the other slab on top of this before this gets too low into the pool? Because then it'll just sink. Yes? Okay, let me grab it. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. It broke apart. It's too soft. That's okay. Look at that. This is laundry, you guys, by the way. Just saying. I keep telling people not all laundry turns hard. Woo! For me, it's like the timing, like how long I let it sit. I'll wash it. All right. I make myself laugh, you guys. Someone said bet. No way. $1,000? You shouldn't pay $1,000 for nothing. Well, not nothing. I mean, you shouldn't be paying that for rent either, dang it. Don't get me started on that. $1,000 for rent. That's crazy. August 30th. First overflow. Whoop, whoop. Alright, I'm going to try to break a piece off. Got it. I'm going to film this cleanup tomorrow, too, because I got to clean it up before Kitty goes live tomorrow. So I'll film so you guys can see the the mess. Clean up. Do you guys like that, by the way? I was curious. But, there are houses here for like $50K. Literally $50K. Like a house. You can rent a whole house, like a 2-story house, you guys, for like $1,100. Like, I'm just saying. The city is nice. Like, living in the city is nice, but the prices are not nice, you guys. Jenny's just falling apart, though. Holy crapola. Oh. That's what he said. You said no something. I didn't see that. What'd you say? I asked earlier. I didn't see that. It goes probably Sunday or Monday. Probably Monday, actually, because I'm going to give Kitty this weekend with me. Birthday weekend. So she's having her party on Saturday, and then Sunday we're going to do a mother-daughter thing. And then, so I'll probably do it Monday. But we have to do it soon because it'll harden too much. No, I refuse. We're committing. It'll lessen once I, like, mix it, you guys. I'm gonna flip her again, okay? We're gonna flip her one more time. Dangerous game we're playing here. Here we go. Look at that. Oh! Yes, with the big one, I'm not going to be adding a bunch of liquid with that big purple one. We're going to do a dry crush with it. I broke her apart. Look at that. The hand mixer lovers, you're going to have fun tonight. There's a lot in the bottom of the pool. Yes, I'm excited for the games too, you guys. There's going to be so many cool games. I have a lot of different games we're going to do. I'm excited. And don't worry, I'll figure out how to create an event for the giveaway one. I'll work on like solidifying a date and everything for that. And what time I'm going to do that one. It'll probably be around the same time as usual. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! Thank you, Clean Chica. Agreed, Mar. Kindness is free. I guess these gloves are better because I haven't gotten anything like up my sleeve or up my glove like usual. Alright, this is the last bit of the slab, you guys. What should I do with it? Should I smack it? I'm going to set it right here on top of the sponges and then I'll crush this one first. Thought it was going to splash me. Alright, let me... Ah! Mother... something. I dropped a piece of it. That's sad. Alright. It crumbled because it's so soft. Mother trucker. Okay. Hold on a second and I'll look at the chat. Let me see. Ready? Night, sweet pea. Sudsy girl, I save it. I make... Kitty's live tomorrow will be 1 p.m. Yep. Did you guys want me to hand mix before I do the dish soap? So you guys pick mixing or dish soap and pop bombs now. I broke it. That's where the block went. It's in here. Hand mixing, hand mixing. Yes, hand mixing. Okay, hand mixing it is. And then I'll do the dish soap and pop bombs at the end. And also, since it's still early, it's like 1:30 in the morning. I told you guys we're going to do a sponge fake rinse. I'm going to move you guys to my bucket and we're going to do I'm going to give you guys a sponge fake rinse this time. In my bucket. Look. Wait. Where did it go? I felt it. Oh, it's been in there too long. It just turned pasty. Oh, there's some more of the block. I will make sure to squeeze the sponges extra and not just one time each. You mean for the fake rinse, right? Exquisite? Or for this? Oh, thank you for 180K, you guys. Or do you mean for the dish soap and pop? Oh, there's a bunch on the other side too. I'll just do extra squeezes for everything. How about that? Extra squeezes for the dish soap, extra squeezes for the rinse. I'll just do it all. I gotta check, this maybe, 5 or 6 dish soaps, like a lot of, look, all kinds of good surprises at the bottom. I'm definitely, I can feel it splashing on me. Jenny still lives, exactly. She's holding on. We'll have to work on thinking of a name for, I'll post a video maybe we'll think of a name for the next slab, the big purple one. I'm trying to check this side, then I'm going to grab stuff from that side because I know there's chunks on the other side. Oh, I like that one. Purple Rain.